Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the REALME C63. Okay, so let's begin. But before we open up the WhatsApp, first let's open up the settings. Now scroll down and let's open up the Google. And in here, let's make sure that we are logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup earlier. It is really important because if you are not logged into the proper account, there's a chance that you won't have a possibility to restore your chats, so remember about it. And now, simply open up your WhatsApp. I just installed it. The app welcomes us. Select your language, then click on this green arrow. In here, click on agree and continue. And now, in here, we need to type our phone number. Also, if you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click on what's my number. And now I'm going to simply type my phone number, and I'll see you once I verify it. Okay, I have just verified my phone number, and now we have this contacts media. That's the thing that appear right after I verified my phone number. Now all you need to do is to click on continue. Now click on allow, allow, and allow. Okay, we have this loading screen and we need to wait now a little bit. And now we have option to restore our chats. And in here we have the date on which we made the last backup. And we can see its size and the account on which we made that. And as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I have shown you before in my settings. It's the same. So now we want to click on this green button restore. And now the process will start. And remember that if you don't restore right now, there's a chance that you won't have a possibility to do it later. So you should do this right now. So now let's wait until it's restored. And you can now see that 11 messages has been successfully restored. Now click on next. In here you can type your name and change your profile photo if you want. Then click on next. And now we are ready to use our device. And just a confirmation, let's open up this conversation. And you can see that the videos and also the photos has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.